Washington around 3:05 p.m. Clover Hill around 3:15 p.m. White House Station around 3:20 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, large hail, and deadly clouds and ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free